The piers are finished, so the stonemasons, Bob and Jeremy, are now gone. They'll be back to do a dry stack circle in the auto court sometime in the next month or so. And the septic system is now complete and inspected and certified. So Jim just needs to hook up the septic pumps control system in the mechanical room, and then we'll start backfilling and actually completing the driveway. On the inside, plumbing and electric are now complete. So the electric inspection and certification is going to be tomorrow, Monday, and plumbing is all done and working, and everything, all the sinks work, toilets work, showers work, etc. Water softener and iron removal system was also installed. That's what the black components are there next to the water heater. And aside from that, the downstairs is all cleaned up, ready for the next phase of construction, whenever that is. And Jake has almost completed the primary bedroom closet, which he and Tracy designed. So it's his and her bureaus, and then the hanging rods are not installed yet. He's got a couple shelves to finish, but that's now all, or very close to complete. And so he has pantry and laundry, which should be done this coming week, and then trim out the lower level with a bookcase, and then he's finished. So wrapping all the details up.